Hi, this is going to be a quick video and it's just to tell you that Debenhams Beauty Card has brought out their freebie of the month. Normally they release it on the last Friday of the month, but it's a week early. There is a Debenhams Beauty community page and someone posted up there that, yeah, this is coming out Friday. So I popped into Debenhams earlier on and yes, it was there. Now, when I saw the size of this, I was thinking, oh, what are we getting? What are we getting? Because it is massive. It is bigger than my head. But no, it's quite small. I'll just show you. It's quite small. So before I show you what we got, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what the Debenhams Beauty freebie thing is all about. Basically, you need to have the Debenhams Beauty Card to be able to claim your freebie. Now, Debenhams started bringing out freebies quite recently, once a month. To be honest, I'm not sure how long they have done it for, but I've been receiving their freebies for a good couple of months and I get really excited. I have had some great things. I've had Ritual Shower Gel, a full-size one. I've had Kat Von D lipsticks, Clinique moisturiser, which happens to be one of my favourite ever moisturisers now. So yes, it's a really good way of trying things, and obviously it's free. So you have to have that card. Now, so you can sign up online to get the card free. It's just like a points card, you know, like a Tesco club card, similar sort of thing. So you just sign up to get the beauty card, and it means for any purchase you do in Debenhams you will get points, but you need to show that card in order to claim that freebie. So you can either do it online or you can do it actually in the shop. I always go up to the perfume counter and that's all they do, is they want to scan my beauty card and that is it. No payment, no questionnaires, nothing. Just scan the card and they give me the item and that is it basically. So I think to sign up in store you would go to one of the beauty counters or you'd go to the perfume counter and you'd ask to do it that way. The reason why I'm uploading this bonus video super early is because they sell out really quickly and within a couple of days, so you have to be quick. So unfortunately it is a bit of a pain if you don't live near a Debenhams because you can't receive them online, which is a shame. So let's see what we got this month. Inside you get the Let's Talk Beauty card. We've got a Bare Minerals serum. So this retails at full size for about £36, £38 I think. I will find out. I'll try and find it on the Debenhams website and I'll link it down below. But this is quite a nice sample size. This is 7.5 mils. So with serum generally you only need like maybe one little squirt and that's enough to do your whole face. So I like that we've got a serum in as a freebie because that'll last me a good while hopefully. But I don't know too much about this brand. I don't own any Bare Minerals products, I don't think. And yeah, so I'm on the lookout for a serum at the moment. So I was really excited when I found out that they were doing a serum. So this is the Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's Empower, Replenish, Renew and Fortify. And it's skin mimetic technology powered by Long Life Herb, California Poppy and Lempungyang ginger extracts. So it says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck, use morning and night. Empower, promote skin's vitality, replenish, infuse with moisture, renew, reawaken the look of youth and fortify, enhance skin's resilience. So let's have a go, let's try it. Ooh, that's a big squirt. Always happens. So it's like a creamy, ooh. Oh, it's nice. It smells very fresh. It is a really nice lightweight serum. It's not super creamy and not too thick. It is quite watery based and it's absorbing into my hand beautifully. And I love a light serum because I apply quite a few skincare products on my face and I like layering it up and I don't like any of the products to be really thick. I apply the thicker type of skincare at night, but during the day I like it to be quite thin and absorb well into the skin and everything. And no, that's gone. That is gone into my skin. I know my hand isn't my face, but no. Oh, I like it. Very subtle smell, but a nice fresh smell. Oh, I love it. Oh, no, I can't wait to try that. So yeah, so if you've got a beauty card or even if you haven't, pop along to your nearest Debenhams and get this quick before they sell out. So until next month when I'll show you what they have in store for June. I missed out last month because I got it quite late and I just thought by the time I upload the video there's not much point because a lot of stores would have sold out. So yeah, I'm getting in quick with this one. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.